Hello students, welcome to Narayana Online Classes. Today we are discussing assignment number 52 on the topic statistics and 10th standard mathematics. So now the first question. So find the median of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here however these values are in ascending order. So what are the given values? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of observations, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there. So n is number of observations, 6 observations, even observations. So even observations means we are taking average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation we are taken, right? So median is the average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So what he is saying, n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Here n by 2, that is n by 2 6 by 2, which is equals to 3rd observation. Third observation is here in this result, the third observation is 4 and n by 2 plus 1, that is a 3 plus 1, fourth observation which is equals to 5. So now the average of 4 and 5, right? So median is equals to the average of 4 plus 5 by 2, that is a 9 by 2, which is equals to 4.5. Now the next problem. Here the next one. If the meeting point of less than and more than ogive curves is 40, 50. See in the ogive curves, let it be these two are less than and more than ogive curves, right? The meeting point is given 40, 15. If you project it on x-axis, that is the 40, right? So median is equals to 40. So median is 40, option C. Now coming to the next problem. And here some terms are given. From the terms x plus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 1, x plus 3 and x minus 2. Here x belongs to natural number. So x is belongs to natural number. If the median of the data is 12, so median is given. Median is equals to how much is given? 12. We need to calculate the x value. X must and should be a natural number. So given terms, what are the given terms? That is x plus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 1 and x plus 3 and x minus 2. How many are there? Number of observations, 5 observations are there. If x is a natural number, now I am writing these terms in a ascending order. So ascending order, write it ascending order. The first one is, if x is a natural number, x belongs to a natural number, then x minus 2 is the least term in the given data, and the next term is x minus 1, and the next one is x plus 1 and x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is the ascending order. Now the median n is equals to How many observations? 5 observations are there. So 5 observations means odd, right? So median is equals to, median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Right, that is 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, and third observation. Third observation. So median is the third observation, right? 1, 2, 3. This is the third observation is the median. So median is equals to x plus 1. Here median is given 12, x plus 1. Therefore x is equals to 12 minus 1, 11. Right? 11 is the x value. Understood? Now the next problem. Here some data is given. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. So find the median weight of these students. Find the median weight of the students. See here children. See here the weight I am taking as class interval. This is a class interval weight. In kgs, number of students I am taking as frequency. So F. And the next one is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Now from the given table, class intervals, the weight 40 to 45 kgs, how many students are there? 2 students. 45 to 50 kgs, 3 members are there. 50 to 55, 8 members are there. And 55 to 60, 6 members are there. And 60 to 65, here also 6 members are there. And 65 to 70, 3 members are there. And 70 to 75, how many members are there? 2 members are there. So here the cumulative frequency 2, and 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 plus 8 is 13, and 13 plus 6 is 19, and 19 plus 6 is how much? 25, and 25 plus 3 is 28, and 28 plus 2 is 13. Here what is that? Number of observations is 30. So n is equals to 30. Therefore n by 2 is equals to 30 by 2, which is a 15. So here 15, where we will get 15 observation, 15th person, where we will get. So up to here 13 persons are there, 13 students are there. The 15th person, the weight which is in between 55 to 60. So here the frequency is F, and here this is the L, and this is a CF. Right, from the table, L is equals to 55, and F is equals to how much? 6, and CF is equals to 13, and the next one is H. H is equals to 60 minus 55. How much? 5. Right. So now we need to calculate median. Substitute, write the formula, median formula. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L value is 55 plus n by 2 is 15 minus CF is 13 by F is 6 into H is 5. So 55 plus here 15 minus 2 by 6 into 5, and 2 ones are 2 threes. 2 ones are 2 threes. So 55 plus 5 by 3, which is equals to 55 plus 5 by 3, approximately we are getting 5 by 3 is 1.67 we are getting. So 55 plus 1.6 is 56.67 is the median weight of a person. Now the next problem. As scheduled here, the daily incomes of a 50 workers is given. So we need to draw a cumulative frequency less than type cumulative frequency curve. First we should make a tabular form. First one is CA, class intervals, frequency. Now less than cumulative frequency. Now first we should take 250 to 300 less than less than 300. How many members are there? 12 members are there, right? So less than cumulative frequency also. Next, less than 350, we need to take upper limits. So frequency is 14, so 12 plus 14 is 26. Here the points, we need to write coordinate points also. Here the points are, first one is 312, so 300 comma 12, and the next one is a 350 comma 26, and the next one is less than 400, less than 400 frequency 8 and 8 plus 26. 8 plus 26 is how much? 34. So 400 comma 34. Next one is less than 450. Less than 450, here the frequency is 6 and 34 plus 6 is 40. 34 plus 6 is 40. So 450 comma 40. Next one is less than 500. So less than 500 is, here the frequency is 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. So here points are, coordinate points are 500 comma 10. Let it be. Now I'm constructing y-axis and x-axis. Now we are taking upper limits, and less than cumulative frequency in vertical axis, x-axis. So this is the origin. Now I'm taking on x-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to, I'm taking as 50 units. 1 centimeter is equals to 15 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter I am taken as 10 units. 10 units, right? So let it be from this upper limits a 300. It is a breakable axis. So 300, 350, 400, 400 and 450, 500 and 550 and up to 500, I think up to 500, right? So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 are there, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 are there. So now I'm constructing. First look at the points. The first point 30 comma 12, 30 comma 300 comma 12, so let it be, this is the point. And the next one is, look at the point here, and the next one is 350 to 26, so 26 here we are. Next one is 400 to 34, so 400 to 34, and the next one is 450 to 40, so 450 to here the 40, and the next one is 500 to 50, this is 50, so 500 to 50. Let us join. This is a less than or 0, less than or 0. Understood? I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you students.